Name and district, please.
Yes, ma'am. My name is David Tulis. I'm the owner of Eagle Radio Network here in Chattanooga, and I'm the investigative reporter who covers law. And I'm very concerned about the health, safety, and welfare of Chattanooga police officers, particularly in their most dangerous encounter with the public. That is not domestic disturbance calls. That is traffic stops. Traffic stops bring more fatalities and injuries to police officers than domestic disturbance calls and other types of encounters with the angry and upset public. I've given the city corporation notice today of my findings in law and research and also research I've done in my court case in the Sixth Circuit to end criminal traffic stops in the county. My suit is Tulis versus Bennett. It's on appeal. And today, Janie Varnell, the county attorney, said that my research brief was very thorough. And whether I lose or not is immaterial. The point is that the notice tells the city corporation how to deal with obstreperous or wrongdoing people on the road behind the wheel. The law of the driver's license is underprivileged. There are four main elements that I would bring to your attention that are in the notice, 4 parts. One is privilege is on commercial activity. Number 2, privilege disputes on that privilege of driving and operating a motor vehicle are heard in the Department of Safety and Homeland Security. The commissioner has the authority to prosecute or administer the privilege and wrongdoing under it, and that's called having a contested case. Traffic cases are to be heard administratively, effectively in Nashville or in the local branch of DOSHS. The third element is the Uniform Administrative Procedures Act, which controls the operation of privilege administration or management. Plumbers are not arrested. Hairdressers are not put in cuffs by your officers. They're heard in the cosmetology and barber board. These are not crimes to not have the comb in the germicide long enough. That's a privilege offense potentially. So the third element is that traffic cases have to be heard in administration under that authority, the UAPA Title IV, Chapter 5. And then finally, the exhaustion of administrative remedies controls also. When I was falsely arrested for a damaged taillight by the county, I insisted that I had a right to a hearing administrative in Nashville or in DOSHS prior to any adjudication in criminal jurisdiction. I'm looking out for police officers in my litigation in the county, and I'm urging the city to adopt the law, recognize privilege, recognize UAPA, recognize the exhaustion of administrative remedies as the remedy that the people have as against prosecution by the state. Thank you so much.